Hi guys, birthday na ni Z. Wala kaming lighter, pero at least may kandila. So puntahan natin. Gising na siya, kinantahan na namin siya kanina pag mulat ng mata niya, pero iba pa rin to.
Laura.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoren. Happy birthday to you. One more time, Daddy, faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoren. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yay! Oh, this is your birthday cake. Ayan. Just pretend to blow your cake, anak ko. Blow, blow, blow. Blow,
Blow and wish.
blow, blow. Wow! Hmm? Oh. Nursing now, Daddy. Happy birthday, anak. Kiss, kiss, mommy.
What do you mean, oh no?
Oh,
lick,
no.
Lick, lick. What do you mean, oh no? Sarap, sarap.
Zoren?
Happy birthday. Oh,
Daddy?
look, anak ko.
Come here. Daddy got a surprise for you. Oh, this is
Oh,
Grandma's, which you opened the other day.
happy birthday to you.
And this is your card, anak ko. Happy birthday from Daddy. Can you come and sit here, please? Sit here. That's from Grandma and Granddad. You've just opened the other day. And this is from Mommy and Daddy. We don't have a pen. We love you, anak.
Yes, yes, yes.
We love you. And, oops, 1 second. And Daddy, open this one. From Morrison's.
What's in there?
Open, Z.
Zee, what's
Z.
in there?
Kasi naman guys, we're away from home. So,
What's in
si
here?
Simon hindi makatiis. Sabi niya, kailangan may mabuksan siya sa birthday niya. Ayun, hindi ako nagdala nun. Hindi prepared.
Look at this.
Look at this, Z, oh! Wow! Open now, naano siya sa card, oh. Wow! Wow, you've got a coat, you've got a pair of clothes, and you've got a socks.
A pair of clothes.
Yeah, I don't know what's that. Jumper?
It's a body warmer, a Gillette. Is it?
Come on. Wear them, anak ko.
Not exciting, is it?
I know.
We need to get out and
Parang hindi siya masaya.
find something exciting to do when it stops raining.
Guys, yeah, until now, grabe yung weather. Ang miserable ng weather. Oh. Get up kasi, anak ko. Ang miserable ng weather, so wala kaming magawa kung hindi dito lang mag-stay indoors.
Oh, wow, anak ko!
Wow! Thank you, Daddy! Thank you!
There you go.
Yeah. Oh, now he's happy. Wow, and you've got this? What do you call this one, Daddy?
Oh,
For me, it's just a jumper. Like
Sweatshirt?
jumper, sweatshirt.
With socks. And
And socks and... Okay.
they're okay for the Philippines as well, these.
Yeah. Oh. What do you say now? And the socks. What do you say now? Thank you, Daddy. Thank
Oh,
you.
look, smiley face. Smiley face, look.
Say thank you, Daddy. Can you get up? Shh. Show them what you've got. Wow. ipakita na sale. Wow! You happy? Happy? Z? Kiss daddy. Say thank you, daddy. Say thank you, daddy. Anak ko ah. Say thank you, daddy. Mhm. Say thank you, daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you. Oh, say it. I love you. Happy birthday. Mwah. Okay. That's our surprise now kasi hindi na siya nakikinig. Mag-calm down yung weather mamayang hapon, so hopefully, ayun, mag-dinner out, mag-eat out kami mamaya for his birthday. Nakalimutan na niya yung cake niya, oh. Happy birthday, Z! Mwah! Oh, no. Oh, come on. You're gonna eat there later. Kitchen. Oh, I mean, here. Yeah? Gonna make coffee for my husband now. Lagay na natin dyan. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you for your birthday greetings to our baby boy. Bye.